Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up and utilizing GitHub discussions to build a vibrant, centralized community space right alongside your code repositories. Unlike the standard issue tracker, which is built strictly for tracking active bugs, discussions act as a digital town square for brainstorming ideas, hosting Q&A sessions, and welcoming new open source contributors. To get started, open your repository settings tab, scroll down to the features section, and check the box to instantly activate discussions. Once enabled, a brand new discussions tab will appear on your main navigation bar, allowing anyone to click the new discussion button and choose a dedicated category like announcements, ideas, or general chat. Community members can seamlessly upvote the best answers to questions, participate in threaded conversations, and share interactive polls to gauge user feedback. By moving casual banter and theoretical planning out of your Issues tab, you preserve your project workspace for pure development, while fostering an engaged, collaborative global community that helps your project thrive. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.